Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to whip up a delicious spinach and pumpkin leaf stew. This recipe is not only healthy but also incredibly tasty, very nutritious. So guys, let's get started. Here is our protein. We are making use of fish in this recipe. So it is all cleaned and cut up. Now it is time to season. Go in with your salt and your seasoning. Please, if you want to marinate it for some time, please, 1 cube is fine. I use 2 because I will be grilling right away. So it comes out very tasty after grilling. Next is your garlic and ginger powder. You can use the paste, whichever one you have. A teaspoon of each is fine. Now we just added a teaspoon of paprika powder and drizzle in a little amount of your vegetable oil and combine, okay? Combine the fish and the ingredients, yes, the spices, rub it all over. Make sure they are evenly coated, okay? Just like what you are seeing on the screen. Rub it this way. Make sure it touches every part of the fish. Please note that you can use any protein of your choice. It mustn't be fish. You can use any type of fish, could be chicken, your turkey, whichever protein you have, all right? Okay, now at this point, guys, we're done. It is time to grill them. Like I said, we are grilling right away. Now transfer on your baking sheet. And for those of you that doesn't have oven, you can deep fry them. Yes, that's another option. You can deep fry them. If you don't want to do the frying, you can as well cook them. Yes. Meanwhile, the name of the fish we're using is called mackerel. Yes, mackerel fish. All right, guys. At this point, we're going to transfer it into the oven and grill to satisfaction. While our fish is grilling, let's move on to the next stage. Now, in a pan or your pot, go in with your vegetable oil, reasonable amount of it. And once it is heated, go in with your diced onion. Give it a stir. Next thing, after a few seconds, introduce your ginger and garlic paste. Stir and allow to fry for a minute. And this is after a minute, go in with your chopped tomatoes. This is 18 medium-sized tomato chopped. So guys, the thing is, you can use more than this, all right? Also, feel free to add the sweet long pointed peppers if you have. Yes. Now go in with your dry thyme and your dry rosemary and nicely stir it in. Now we're going to allow it to fry, okay, until it is dry, but not completely. Hello, to you that is meeting my video for the first time, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious cooking meals, baking, small chops and snacks, and even more. So if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe so you become part of this amazing, beautiful family. Now, introducing our chopped scotch bonnet peppers after frying for 2 to 3 minutes. After you've added it, go on and stir, alright? At this point, go in with your salt and your seasoning. Please season to taste, okay? Make sure you don't over salt. Make sure you don't over season. Next is 1 teaspoon of your curry powder. Go on and add it. Give it a good stir and let the flavors melt together. We are going to fry some more. Let's say for a minute, extra 1 minute, okay? And this is after 1 minute, guys. Let's test for salt. Perfect, guys. Finally, it's time to add the star of the show, which is our fresh sliced spinach and fruited pumpkin leaves. Remember, we are making spinach and fruited pumpkin leaf stew. Okay, so we're going in first with the spinach. We're going to fry it a bit. Let's stay for a minute before introducing our fruited pumpkin leaves. Okay, now you go ahead and give it a good stir. Please let me seize this medium to appreciate all my subscribers, both the newest and the returning. Guys, your girl is super grateful for all your massive love and support. Your likes, your shares, and comments, they really mean a lot to me. Please, guys, keep it up, okay? Thank you. So guys, we just added our sliced fruited pumpkin leaves. Now, giving it a nice stir. Please stir until everything is well combined. This is a very healthy recipe. Please do not sleep on it. Alright guys, now checking back on our fish. All set guys. This is how we want it. You can continue grilling until it gets to your satisfaction. Okay, now transfer it into your pot of stew. Lovely. This is looking good guys. Now you give it a good stir. This is looking good. Lovely. Is the greenish for me? Guys, can you see that? This is one meal that is packed with numerous nutrients, guys. You're not sleeping on this one. You are making it. It is very simple and easy to make. All you need to do is to follow the steps. And if you have any question, leave it on the comment. I promise I will answer. At this point, we are done, guys. And there you have it. Our delicious mouth-watering spinach and pumpkin leaf stew is set. Guys, look at this goodness. Some cheers. Please give it a go, okay? Now it is time to plate our dish. So you plate it with me, as always. We are going to be pairing this stew with white rice. In fact, with this stew, you can eat rice a whole week without minding. Guys, it serves different purposes. You can eat it with your yam, your potato, whichever way you want to enjoy it, guys. At this point, we're done dishing it out. Can you see this goodness? Oh my. Please continue watching. It is time to test. Please test it with me. Now, grab your spoon. It's about to go down. Guys, it tasted super good, yes. A trial will convince you. Try it out and let me know how it turns out for you in the comment, okay? And help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out also. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Follow and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling. Bye.